to make a video about fruit. This is fruit. Hello, Peggy. This is a lemon. It's yellow. Do you like lemon? Okay, it looks that not, but I like lemon. Peggy, this is an orange. Do you like orange? It's orange. That look that you like orange. Also, I like orange. I can also throw orange. Do you like kiwi? I hate kiwi. It looks that also you don't like kiwi. Do you like apples? That's an apple. Good. Peggy, don't eat that apple. That's my apple. I also like apples. A carrot. Peggy hates carrot, but I like carrot. It's orange. Carrot can also ride a car. And on end, I will show you a song about fruit.
It's a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. There are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a bigger house for the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruits. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. Coconut bark for the kitchen floor. If you save some of it, you can build a door now. The coconut trunk, do not throw this junk. If you save some of it, you'll have a second floor. The coconut wood is very good. It can stand 20 years if you pray it would. Now, the coconut root, to tell you the truth, you can throw it or use it as firewood. The coconut leaves good shade it gives for the roof, for the walls, up against the eaves. Now the coconut fruit, say my relatives, make good cannonballs up against the trees. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family.
And this is end of my video.